Hi and welcome back to the video. Today I will show you how to create your Gmail. So open your Chrome browser and click on create account. You can choose it for your personal use or for your business. Now you can write any name according to your Gmail or work. So I am writing as I am Gordov. Click on next. Now you have to choose your birth date and your gender. Again click on next. Here you will choose your Gmail and you can also customize it according to your needs. So I have chosen the second one, and again next. Here you will have to enter your password for your security, and you have to copy the same password. Now just click on next. Here you will have to bind your mobile number so that you will receive any notifications and it will increase your security. Now you will receive a 6-digit code on your phone number, and just put it here and click on next. You can also add any recovery email for additional security, so I am just keeping it now. Now just click on next and scroll down and select I agree. So as you can see, your Gmail account has been created. Just like and subscribe to our channel.